Hi everyone, I made my own face cream with just two ingredients and I had to share it with you because it's so simple and very effective. All you need is aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule oil. First, I took some pure aloe vera gel. If you have a fresh aloe plant, you can scoop out the gel directly from the leaf. If not, just go with a good quality store-bought one. Aloe vera is awesome for keeping your skin hydrated and calm. And then I added two capsules of vitamin E oil. This oil is great for nourishing and repairing your skin. It's so nice on the skin. Then I mixed them together until it turned into this smooth, creamy texture. And that's it. My homemade face cream was ready to use. This face cream is non-greasy and perfect for everyday use. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. Bye and see you in my next video.